Hi, Cyril A, aka Sidad. You're welcome to IoT Lab, and today we are going to continue our lecture series on DIY drone series. So we are going to talk about why should I prefer the hybrid compared to the V-TOL and the H-TOL drone technology. So the very first thing is to see our outline for today. So we have what's a drone. So first class we'll talk about what a drone and give the proper definition of a drone. Then next we'll talk about what's a V-TOL, which is a vertical takeoff and landing drones. Then horizontal takeoff and landing. We talk about the comparison between these two types of drones. Then we go into me and drone. So you're gonna see my picture and the drone and the two kinds of drone we emphasized here. Then the next is hybrid drones. We talk about the other advanced drone. Then we have the feature drones. Then finally, we have drones related career. So in case you want to venture into this new technology, you can start up. Then we have drone startups. So we have some companies already existing and they are already into drone technology. So what we have first is what's a drone. So a drone is a remotely controlled aircraft or an unmanned aerial vehicle. So here we have a quadcopter, which is a multi-rotor drone with 4 propellers and 4 ESCs and brushless motors. So we have this. And the next is what is a V-TOL drone. So a V-TOL is just like a multi-rotor, and this type of drone has a movable wing which serve as propellers, and they provide thrust and lift at the same time, which makes them consume higher energy. And they are mainly V-TOL, which is a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. So the next is the H-TOL drone. As you can see here, the H-TOL drone has fixed wing, and this type of drone has fixed wing, as I said earlier, which are just like a conventional plane, and they provide lifts and also able to glide through and cruise with the help of the thrust provided by the propellers, which can be either fixed at the nose or under the wings. So here we have the H-TOL drone with the wing and the aileron. Then we have the elevator, and we have the rudder as well. So the next is we want to talk about the comparison between the H-TOL and the V-TOL. So here the differences between the fixed wing and the multi-rotor are thus. Some of them actually consume energy than the other. Then for example, the multi-rotor drones do not need a landing strip, so you can land your multi-rotor even on the ceiling of your house. So many noise, it makes less noise as well. And also the fixed wing doesn't hover just like the multi-rotor. So we have a lot of comparison. And also we know that the fixed wing drone can fly faster and is more suitable for long distance trip than the multi-rotor counterparts. These characteristics determine which of these drone types to be used. So it's just depending on your specific application, then you choose if you want the V-TOL or the H-TOL drone. So final thought is just that the H-TOL is a fixed and the V-TOL is the multi-rotor respectively. So let me show you some photos of me and some of the drone types that we have. So here we have me and myself, the drone, and we have the quadcopter, which was a demo for the Unilag AR Robotics Fair 2019. Here we have the H-TOL, which is made by my team in Nigeria. And the next thing we have is the hybrid drone. So this is the future. It's not really a future, but it's existing currently. It's just a combination of the V-TOL and the H-TOL drones, which makes it have both features. So in this case, they can make transition from hover mode to airplane mode. So you can land this kind of drone just behind your backyard because it doesn't need a runway just like the H-TOL drone. So this is more sophisticated kind of drone. It has the wing like normal. It has the lifting models. Then you have the push models at the front, at the back, or the front sometimes. Then you have the aileron and the elevator. So this best practice drone they use for medical and also for delivery by Amazons, and the one they use in Rwanda and in Ghana recently. So yeah, we have featured drones. So in the featured drones today, they call it the Ornitho-copter. The Ornitho-copter is just more like animal drone. The drones mimic the flight pattern of animals. So basically, the Israeli use this kind of drone for terrorism, to curb terrorism. So they are birds like drone. They fly like birds, and they possess camera on their eye, and also send feedback down to the ground base. So they flap their wings using the brushless models, and also powered by LiPo batteries, and provide the elevator with detail, and rudder helps as well to move the bird to left and right. Sometimes it can be used in the airport to scale birds. So here we have a picture of a Canadian use these birds. They call it the roe bird. This roe bird is used to chase away birds around the airport. So birds don't get strayed down to the jet engines of an aircraft. So this is an existing Ornitho-copter that they use currently in Canada. So here we have the drone-related carrier. So in case you want to venture into drone technology today, there are a lot of careers. You can go into flying drones as personal usage or just to impress your friends. You can start building drones and developing them just to make money out of it. And you can also start developing softwares, hardwares, and do some tinker and also some hacking on it. So operations and management, just like DJI currently gives operations of their drones, and once you can get hacked or to fly in the non-flying zone, you can be paid for it. So we have maintenance and customization. So some organizations do drones for fumigation, some do for surveillance, some do drones for security. So there are different customization in drone technology. Now with drone startups, so do you have any plans to venture into robotics or into drone technology or into autonomous system or flying cars? So there are a lot of companies already existing. So we have the 3D robotics, we have Airways, we have DJI. DJI is the fastest growing drone company based in US, where it's a Chinese company. And we have Liquid Robotics, we have Air Robotics, we have Iran, which is an Israeli, and the Yang from China, Swift Magnification, Cyberhawks, Airmax, SkyChat, and Zipline, which started in Rwanda, currently in Ghana, but we're going to US soon. So I believe you enjoyed this short video on the comparison between the V-TOL and the H-TOL. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.